Let's take a look at the first problem. We're supposed to perform the operations which are in the inner parentheses. I mean, we have to perform the operations inside of these parentheses. Now, what we have in there? We have 201 raised to power 0. We're supposed to perform the power first. Remember that any number beside 0 raised to power 0 is equal 1. This time we have 201 raised to power 0. So this is going to be nothing else, just 1. So I have 4, open parenthesis, 1 plus 1, close parenthesis, and everything raised to power 3. Again, we're supposed to continue the operations inside of the parentheses, which are inside of my problem. I have 4. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, and everything is raised to power 3. 4 times 2 is equal 8. And I have 8 raised to power 3. 8 to the third power is written like 8 times 8 times 8. We know that 8 times 8 is equal 64. But 64 times 8 is 64 times 8. 8 times 4 is equal 32. 8 times 6 is 48 plus 3 is equal 51. So this is 512. And the answer for this one is 512. Okay, this is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at the second problem. I have 7 raised to the third power. 7 raised to the third power you can rewrite as 7 times 7 times 7. 7 times 7 is equal 49. 49 times 7 you can always calculate. 7 times 9 is equal 63. Write 3, this is 6. 7 times 4 is equal 28. 28 plus 6 is equal 34. Okay, so this is 343. 343 is 7 to the third plus 4 times 3 is equal 12 minus 9 divided by 3 is equal 3. We have 343 plus 12 is equal 355 minus 3. 355 minus 3 is equal 352. And this is the solution to my problem.